This is the third part of the concept and benefits of laughter yoga, laupayam or hasayam. If you have watched the first part and second part and now you are watching this third part, so you must subscribe it. It will be better for me and you and for others also. Because the message of Baba must go. The message of the hermits of Himalayas must go to each and every person of the world. So, in last part we discussed that through the practice of pranayama or lapayama or hasayama, we try to compress more and more oxygen within the body. And that oxygen is available in the fresh air. And fresh air is the composition of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 0.04% carbon dioxide gas and 0.4 hydrogen is also there, and neon, this is also a gas that is also 1% there. So fresh air means the composition of all these gases. That generally we understand fresh air means oxygen. We discussed it that no, not oxygen. Fresh air means not just oxygen. So sages have discovered such techniques how to compress, how to intake the fresh air, and how to filter the oxygen from that, and how to compress the oxygen to each and every cell of the body. Cell? Yes, cell is the composition of many things. Vitamins, protein, minerals, and blood is there. Oxygen is running there. So oxygen is prominent, a liquid, a fluid that taking all these nutritious components runs to each and every cell from bottom to top. That energy reaches, and that makes actually healthy. That makes man healthy. And when anybody is healthy, then he can do anything, and he can be wealthy also, famous also, can get good success and grand success in his life. So actually 10% oxygen we use. Generally we use the 10% oxygen, and it is very minimum, very less. So this was the question, how to increase the percentage of oxygen within the body to make the body and mind always healthy and happy, calm, cool, tight temper, no loose temper, no distress, no depression. When anybody feels irritation, when anyone feels boredom, when anyone feels not easy, it means his brain lacking oxygen, lacking energy. Blood is there, energy is there, but oxygen is not there. So run up of the energy in the body is very slow, and consumption is too much in the body, and supply is very less. So this causes problem. How to handle this problem, how to finish this problem, sages discovered all these yogic method, pranayamic method. On that line, in that sequence, I formulated this lapayama, this hasayama, the laughter meditation or laughter yoga, that gives the benefit of 3 hours rigorous practice of asanas, pranayam and meditation within 30 minutes. Therefore, it is high-tech, it is advanced, and it is intensive. Clear? Because it was my problem also. Today's world, nobody has time to practice 3 hour, 4 hour yoga and meditation. So it was my problem. I discovered the solution of my problem and I am sharing to you. Within 30 minutes, this Hasayama, this Lapayama gives you the benefit of 3 hours continuous hard yoga, meditation, pranayama practice within 30 minutes. Yes. So, this is the advanced discovery, and this is the very high-tech and very updated formulation that is before you. And in other sessions, I will give you some practical, application also, how to practice and how to increase the percentage of oxygen and how to purify our blood, how to purify and how to energize each and every cell of the body in order to have a good conditioning of health. We can increase more than 50% within 10% oxygen we work whole of our life. We can increase that. So what will happen? The decay of the body will be arrested. In 50-year-old also you look like 35. Your aging factor will be very, very slow. So you can have a good young look, charming face and everything else because of the practice half an hour Lapayama. The practice of Lapayama, Hasayama, laughter yoga, you can enjoy a good health and all the time wellness, fitness, happiness and overall blissfulness. Thank you very much for today.